Hi, I'm Bob Anderson, co-founder of Leadership Circle. We're here to talk to you today about the energetics of embodied presence and dialogue, which is the second workshop in the Unity Academy. And I'm here with one of my teachers from the Barbara Brennan School, Donna Evans Strauss.
Hi, it's really great to be here with you, Bob, and I'm really happy to bring some of the expertise of being with the Barbara Brennan School for 35 years and the work that I've done there and interweave that with the Leadership Circle.
So in this workshop, we're going right into energy work and its application to our practice and coaching, consulting, leadership. So for me, for example, more and more when I'm in a coaching like situation or a training, when I'm leading a training, I'm constantly working to expand my field and presence. I'm listening to the field. I'm not listening to the mind as much as I used to, trying to think about what I need to say. I'm listening deep within, and information emerges that often surprises me, and I say it and I find it landing in ways that were unexpected. So in our work, especially because it tends to go deep, we're often working with our client at an edge, at an unknown edge where neither one of us knows exactly where this wants to go or how it wants to unfold, what's trying to happen, and to be that open and that spacious and that undefended in presence from a place of listening allows us to be informed and to simply move with what's trying to happen, to say things that we didn't know we knew to say, and then watch what happens. It can be transformative. That's the work.
Some of the benefits that you'll get from being in the training is that we'll really teach application when you're working with somebody. Like Bob was saying, how do you move a session when somebody is in the head or reason oriented and you need to drop down into this deeper state of consciousness? You're going to learn specific techniques that help you drop into the state where what Bob was just presencing, and how to bring your heart to someone's head and help them just see in the moment the alchemy of that happening, of them dropping deeper into a state of being that they didn't know that they could access before, and find answers to certain kinds of, whether it's coaching or corporate questions, that answers come from that place that Bob was talking about, that it's surprising when you access these different states of consciousness.
Yeah, nobody I know knows better than you, Donna, how to help ordinary folks like me get access. That's what you've spent the last 30 plus years of your life doing, not only for students in the Brennan School, but also for faculty in the Brennan School and teachers of energy healing worldwide. So we're going to bring all that expertise and to how you can apply that in the moments of your coaching and your facilitation. So if you want to learn more about this, go to our website, leadershipcircle.com. We're launching this workshop in the US in the fall, next year in Europe. We hope to see you there. Thank you.